guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi babes. If you're new to the channel, please do like, comment and subscribe and join the family. So today's video is sponsored by Celie Hair. I am flabbergasted. Celie Hair, bro, they sent me hair. We're gonna talk about the hair real quick, but first we're gonna talk about all the gifts they sent me. They sent me a goodie bag, including this bonnet. I've been rocking this bonnet since it got here. I'm absolutely in love. I'm in love with it. But the goodies they sent such beautiful goodies. Let's open and see. They sent me a comb, a cap, a pair of lashes, a brush, clips. I've been wanting these clips. Like, they sent me a melt band. So now let's take a look at the hair. Okay, so this is the hair. It is a 16-inch unit that is 5x5. It is a glueless unit, hence why it has the straps. It has also the adjustable strappy things also on the sides, and at the back it has a comb, and it has two combs on either side. There they are. Can you see? Yeah, it is beautiful. Look at the curls. This is me without doing anything to them at all. It just came like this, which is gorgeous. And if you take a look at the lace, this is the lace. It is 180% density, so your girl she's very thick. Like, she's hella thick. When installing this, you don't really need to do much. You just need to cut off the lace and put it on because it is glueless. But if you do want to glue it down, we can, and I would also show you how to do that. So I'll show you both ways on how to like do it glueless and how to actually glue it down. You got it? You got it? Okay, cool.
Another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland.
Now that I've cut the lace and I've already semi-styled the hair, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, so this is the hair in a more poofier state. I combed it out using this comb, and it is not glued on right now. Like, there. It is not glued on. So to get it back to the normal, we're just gonna use water, spray it a little, and it goes back to normal. And loose, and our hands scrunch it up. Gorgeous the curls are, and how amazing the hairline is. It looks like it's been glued down, but it hasn't. It's still floating.
Working on the weekend like usual, way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit the block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not.
Okay, so now I'm gonna use this band, the melt band that they gave me. Oh, it's so cute. And I'm gonna melt this hair. And I'm gonna leave this on for like 5 to 10 minutes so that it can actually melt this hair, because child, we need it later to the fucking gods. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. Let's see how this looks. Okay, let's try and fix the hairline, because
Coffee at the right time, right? Oh, I was at the end. I was at the end. Make me feel like that is like what I'm doing. Let me feel it out, oh yeah. Tell me on my side, baby. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing in my pocket is my passport. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing in my pocket is my passport. Spending all my nights alone, waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. So waiting for you to go. You're the only one I want by my side when I fall asleep. Tell me what I'm waiting for. Tell me what I'm waiting for. I know it's hard, but we need each other. No, it's hard, but we need each other. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing in my pocket is my passport. Back and forth, I'll take it if that's all you ask for. With my legs up on the dashboard, only thing in my pocket is my
hey, I'm happy. Are you happy with me? I hope you're happy. So this is the final product. I'm very much pleased with this hair. Like, this hair is beautiful. If you are interested in the hair, please do press the link down below at the bio, and I'm sure you can get, there's a code to get some money off. I'll also put it down below. I think the hair is gorgeous. Giving frontal, but it's a 5x5. It's giving hair. It's 180% density. It's giving length. It's 16 inches in curly hair. All the details to the hair will be down below. If you did enjoy the video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. So much to Celie Hair. This hair is gorgeous. I'm in love. It's giving frontal. It's literally giving frontal. This is the hair for you, at an affordable price, that is. And Thank you so much for coming on this journey with me, doing this hair with me. I love you all. Mwah. See you guys in the next video. Bye.
In the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they sucked it up, I got them on it. I bought a new paddock, I had to watch so I two-tone them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. They come around, you say it's a sleeper. The ears are real, the petty is real.